Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video we're going to go over to the changes that happened Thursday night to ordering a Model 3. So if you look at Tesla's blog, they updated the Model 3 and they removed the standard range and the long range rear wheel drive from the online ordering, and now you have to call them. It sounds like they weren't getting a lot of people getting the standard range, and they were instead getting the standard range plus. If you saw my last video, which I'll put a link to right here, that I recommended that you get the standard range plus because it was only $37,500, as you can see here. So first, what you want to do is find a link to Tesla's website, and so my referral code is going to be down in the description. And if I helped you decide to buy a Model 3, then please use my referral code. If somebody else helped you, then use their referral code. After you click on my referral code, it's going to take you to this website. So we're going to design our Model 3. And why you want to use a referral code, if you're new to Tesla and you haven't been hearing that, once you click through here, you're going to see that your account, or when you purchase a new Tesla, SX or 3, you're actually going to get 1,000 miles of free supercharging. So if you're new to Tesla, I mean, this is great because this is 1,000 miles of supercharging that doesn't expire. Previously, they've done like 6 months of supercharging, which I didn't think was that great. Like 1,000 miles is definitely better where it's something that's not going to expire. And so if you've been to Tesla's website before, been dancing around deciding whether to buy one or not, you're going to notice that the standard range, which is, now don't look at this for the price, this is asterisk here, that's after their gas savings and their other savings that they include in there. But so if you want to know the price, it's down here before savings. This highlighted price right here, $39,500 is the standard range plus, and that's what I had said in my previous video to purchase, because you still get a lot. Like if you click down in here, you're still going to get a lot of things. One of the things don't get with the partial premium that you do get with the premium interior that I think should be under this column down here at the bottom, all interiors included, location based automatic garage door opener. Now it doesn't necessarily have to be location based, but it's just that home link to where you can program a garage door opener with your car. I mean, that's like, you know, a Honda Civic has that, where it's just a button in your car. So the fact that Tesla didn't make this a standard option kind of bugs me, but it is what it is. So you can see here what the partial premium includes. And if I was going to buy a new Model 3 today, I would definitely get the partial premium interior, because you still get that leather seats, you still get heated front seats. Also in their blog post, like I mentioned, if you want the long range rear wheel drive, which is not listed on here, notice that these two dual motor is long range and performance. If you wanted long range rear wheel drive, you also have to call Tesla, just like the standard range regular $35,000 one. So why I think the standard range plus is even better now than my last video is because if we click to the next step, so we're going to click next and we'll get back to this color. So now if you notice, Autopilot Included. So enables your car to steer, accelerate, and automatic braking while other vehicles and pedestrians within its lane. So that's like the autopilot that I had recommended last time. That was $3,000. Now that's included, so you save a little bit of money now purchasing the autopilot versus before, because they kind of bundled things together. So this was a good bundle. Hopefully you didn't purchase the vehicle off my last video. Hopefully you purchased it off of this video. So let's go back to the exterior, because there's a couple changes here that not a lot of people saw. If you noticed before, I'm a huge fan of the white, and it was $2,000 previously. So with this recent change, they also knocked that down to $1,500. And then the red was $2,500, and they took another $500 off that. So now that's $2,000. And these colors here are just $1,000. The blue and the silver are $1,000, where they were $1,500 before. And so the wheels are the same price. So I definitely would recommend the Aero wheels. Really tempted to get this for $1,500, but we'll stick with the black for now just to show you the budget-friendly Model 3 that still gets you all the features. I mean, you could put, for $1,500, you could still put a pretty sweet wrap over this black if you really wanted to, and then change the color whenever you want. So the black interior here, so with the partial premium interior, you still get black leather, heated, front seats, leather rear seats, and you still get this cell phone dock tray, which I've used and everybody loves it. To get the white, it's still going to cost you $1,000, but we're going to build our budget-friendly Model 3, and we're going to come out and we're going to select the black. Now, for Autopilot, if you're going to buy a Tesla, you need to buy Autopilot. Autopilot's already included, like I had said previously. So this is a great change for Tesla. I really think that the Autopilot is something that every Tesla should have, so I'm really glad that they made this a standard feature. This full self-driving is coming out supposedly later this year. It's $5 grand. It's $7,000 after delivery. If $5,000 extra is in your budget, then I would definitely do it. Otherwise, you're going to pay an additional $2 grand after delivery just to get this full self-driving option, which might even be later this year. So you might have the car for, let's say, 6 months, and then all your friends get all these great changes, or you see more of my YouTube videos come up with, all these changes. Or if you haven't yet, watch my enhanced summon video that will come find you in a parking lot. You might be wishing you had those changes. That's the great thing about Tesla. If you don't buy it now, you're not stuck. You can still upgrade, but if you don't buy it now, it's going to cost you an extra $2 grand. So let's move on to payment. Stick with me here because there's a pretty significant change that happened. So we built our Model 3. Now we can either pay cash, we can take a loan like before, or now they're actually offering a lease. And so what's great is you can actually use the referral code for a lease car and still get right here, it says 1,000 miles of free supercharging even under a lease. If you're looking just at monthly payments, putting $3,000 down for 3 years, 10,000 miles a year, your estimated lease is right at $500. For $3,000 down, that's not that bad. So there's our purchase price, $39,500, and I'm going to put the other purchase price from the Model 3 that we built last time right over here. And so you can see that this definitely saves you money, getting the same features but now having Autopilot kind of wrapped into the partial premium interior. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll be able to enjoy your Model 3 soon. See you guys in the next one.